Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So we have bullish context on the gold market. If you remember our discussion that we're keeping from the December probably or even earlier, that sentiment on the gold market has changed drastically, and as we have discussed in our weekly reports, we see the real bullish factors that market behaves not rationally for around strong levels. So if it indeed some kind of the retracement on the long-term charts, market should behave differently. But currently market shows the signs around the strong supports at the strong targets, important targets that usually typical for the bullish market. Currently, guys, we're talking about the possible retracement or how market will behave in the current level, because this is strong area. As we said yesterday, this is OP target. Also, that was the daily overbought, so important fib level, and market should take a rest and take some pause in our prediction. But this pause could be different. Initially, we thought that could become a bit deeper, so kind of the ABCD action could be formed on the lower time frame chart where the retracement to the 1260. But recently, yesterday, we started to talk about the grabbers. As market has formed the two grabbers, both of them suggest the taking out of this top. We come to conclusion that breakout could be different. So, for example, market just could grab stops above this area and then starts more moderate retracement, deeper retracement, or it indeed could just continue up direction. That's also possible. Currently, it's very difficult to say what particular action will happen. But what we do know is that currently we're watching for upward spike of different targets. At least market should hit 1305, 1310 area. So here we have the two grabbers, the first one and the second one. Both of them suggest the taking out of this top. Also, guys, another important detail that we could recognize today is price action takes the shape of the bullish pennant pattern. As you know, the bullish is classical continuation pattern, and it suggests the further upward continuation. Based on the previous action, that should be treated as the mast of the pennant. Pennant itself suggests not just wash and rinse of these tops, but real upward continuation. And indeed, that could happen mostly because market right now is not at overbought, and actually, as we said already before, this is last major resistance area, guys. Last major level. Above this area, market already doesn't have any fib resistance, and this is relatively free space. Maybe some pivots will be weekly pivots here, but no strong fib levels exist, and it means that market relatively freely could reach the XOP target at 1330 if the background will not change. And currently we do not see any signs that the background is changing. So that makes us think that overall context and the sentiment on the market stands positive. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we actually have the triangle that's, as we said, takes the, as it looks like, the pennant pattern on the daily, and here we also have some bullish details inside of it. First of all, the grabber that has been formed here, if you remember, we have talked about it. That was one of the reasons why we have suggested initial deeper retracement. So we'll take a look at the MACD predictor. You'll see that that was a grabber, but this grabber has been erased by this price action. So no breakout and no taking out of these lows has happened. Second moment, here we have the hidden bullish divergence with the MACD indicator. As you can see, that suggests also the breakout of the top. And finally, third moment, take a look on this downward action. Market hasn't reached the lower border. So this is early upside reversal, which suggests upward continuation. So currently it seems that chances on the upward continuation looks better than some kind of the downward action here. Still, if you'll take a look at the hourly chart, here what we have. initially, inside of this triangle on the daily, market has formed a catalyst triple to sell. That was our previous triangle that we have talked about right at the moment when the retracement just has started. So as a result, market has completed AB equals CD yesterday. In fact, we've got catalyst triple to sell, and this retracement has followed. On this retracement, market has retested this trend line. Now market turns up again. So potentially the targets could be, as we said yesterday, this could be the butterfly. So actually the come catch the triangle. Right. So that could be the butterfly potentially, as we have talked about it recently, with the 1304 target. But also, if market will continue to move higher, that could become even action to the 1310, 1311, because we have here as A, B, C bottom XOP. And if some stops really exist here above the stop, they will add some fuel in upward direction, and it means that market freely could continue to move higher. So that will see the potential on the gold market. Still, if somehow market will form kind of the AB equals CD action to the downside, we could get another catalyst triple to buy. So it could become an initial thrust and ABCD down, ABCD pattern. So that could become the point where another opportunity to go long could appear. This will be catalyst triple to buy, and take a look. In this case, market will reach the lower border of the same triangle that we have on the follow time frame chart. So if kind of the ABCD action will happen here. So, but this is just minor tactical details. Mostly they do not change the core. The overall context is the same. It's just the details how maybe potentially you could take the position on the gold market. So there's multiple opportunities exist for taking the position. So this is the one of them. Catalyst triple to buy will be formed. Another opportunity to take the position, it could be, for example, on some minor retracement of this leg, if you suggest market really could continue to move higher. But anyway, in any case, stop should be somewhere below this trend line, because only the breakout, the pennant in opposite direction, will suggest the deeper downside retracement and crushing of this short-term tactical stop that we have here. So that's actually, guys, the two steps that you could follow if you would like to take the long position on the gold market currently. So if nothing curious and unexpected will happen externally, on some external events, maybe overall technical picture right now looks very, very nice. So it's bullish, and mostly it suggests some upward spike. But currently, the one moment that we just can't tell definitely is that how strong this action will be. Either it will be just grabbing the stops to the 1310 area approximately, or it could become real upside continuation. But overall context currently still stands bullish on the gold market.